welcome, ma'am, to the Dil Se Written episode 2. How do you feel being part of it?
I feel very good about it. I'm a bit excited about it. There is so much of emotions right now going on about it. So let's take it forward that how it goes, what is there to unfold.
Yes, welcome, ma'am. So, can you tell me about your role at Adite?
My role is basically into the investment, looking after the market, looking after the market fluctuations, their rates, looking after the loans and the bank proceedings.
As a value ambassador, empathy ambassador, you are, as we are following empathy for this quarter. What do you think empathy has been perceived by the others?
Look, I would like to take it in a way that what I practice particularly is what I will see in others' behavior or others' nature because I expect something in return which I give. If I am not doing the way it has to be done or it has been preached to me, then obviously it won't be happening with others. So I can't be into a delusion that, okay, even I am not being empathetic, the person with who I am, he should understand my situation. He should be empathetic to me. So for me, even others perceive empathy as the way you look to it.
So, it's a two-way thing according to
Obviously.
you.
Because if you are not practicing it, then you can't expect that it will come into return. So whatever goes, it comes back.
Yeah. You believe in karma, which means.
Obviously. I feel empathy has to be there into everyone inculcatively because empathy is something which comes from your culture, comes from your family background, comes from how you listen to others, how much attentive you are to others. So you should know the value of empathy because if you are not able to listen to someone, then at the end of the day you would be all alone feeling that I have to speak a lot but there is no one to listen to me, to hear me out. So obviously the saying goes that a year to a year is always helpful and always being reliable. So empathy has to be there. For me, it is empathy.
Okay, that was very nice how you express empathy feels. What are other values other than the empathy you follow?
Look, if I talk about four empathy specifically, then they are obviously interconnected, interlinked. If you follow empathy, then you will be understanding other situation as well. There would be excellence on the way, there would be resilience on the way, there would be empowerment as well. So when you practice one, you feel like practicing the three more. When you practice the others, you feel that, oh, it's all correlated. So you feel like having it all one by one, and then you have a pillar of all of it. So that makes you a strong person to perceive.
So, value is important if you want to be strong, you want to achieve something.
Value is obviously important because it is something that is already inculcated to you either in cultural ways, either from your parents, either from any sort, or your friends even.
So, ma'am, how do you think empathy shapes your message while in your professional role?
For my professional role, as I said or quoted early, that empathy is something which is related to every other value that has been used in the company because empathy is not the only key by which you can succeed because you are only listening to the problems but not dealing with it, not giving them the solutions, and not letting them empowered to stand up again and to move ahead, which is a part of resilience. So obviously all the four values that are being used in this company to shape the future of the company, either your personal life or your professionally growing career, it all plays a very important role because once you start to listen, you start to think about it, you start to brainstorm about it, you come up with the points that, okay, if this has to be done, then priorly I have to do this thing first and then it will go line by line. So it's all a circle coming together by getting started from a point of circumference and then making it a radius and fully a diameter. So obviously there are certain things because, as you say, when you do good thing to others knowingly, unknowingly, it comes back to you in some or the other way. So for your growth as well, whether it is professionally or personally, you have to be empathetic.
Okay, that was a nicely said, ma'am. So empathy is really an important part in your life.
It is in my life, and I think it should be for everyone
So,
else's life too.
okay, so how do you encourage empathy among your teammates and the other people that you meet every day?
By letting them speak, by letting them speak their hats out, that how they feel today, because every day your energy is not the same, not the
Yes.
paramounted energy where you can say that okay, I'm so much happy today, I'm so much cheery today, whatever work you'd be giving, I'll be doing it all in a one go. So it's not always the same, but obviously you have to give someone their space if someone in not in a talking zone, because this is what my personal experience as well over here only, that around the people I sit, if I am not in a talking zone, they are not the one who keeps on coming and asking me continuously that okay, what happened, why are you upset today, why your mood doesn't look good. They ask me once or twice, but then they give me my space, that because they know my nature, that I am not the one who likes to speak up instantly if something not so good has happened to me. So they give that space to me and then come again that okay, now you are looking fine, so are you ready to speak up or you want to let it go? So this way empathy works very well, because if you know someone, then let them be in their space.
That's very nice. Sometimes you need space to think it over, to
Obviously.
analyze the situation again.
Exactly.
So, can you tell me more about your experience at the Arete Services?
It's going to be 2 years of mine working over here. I always had a pleasant experience only. I had never means I had never met someone who had not been so friendly. The work environment has been all balanced with work, with chaos, with friends. So obviously, because this is my first job, I would rather say, and working over here, I had never felt like that corporate life could be balanced as well.
Can you tell me about yourself in 3 to 4 words?
Myself in 3 to 4 words, I would rather like to say
You can
someone.
explain if you want. It's not an issue.
No, fine. But if you wanted to be very short, precise, and nice, I would really like to say that helpful, being always cheery,
We can see that.
like obviously I love around being people. I love to be cheerful. So basically, my thought process is if you are happy the day around, then people around you would be happy somewhat. Even if they
Smile
are,
is
yeah,
contagious.
obviously that is true. Smile is contagious. So you should follow that.
You have been working for a while, definitely, Arete.
Yeah, exactly.
So, what were the projects that excited you? The accomplishment of the projects that excited you, felt that you were satisfied?
Look, basically, it's not just about the projects. It's every small thing that company achieves, because overall it's a teamwork. Overall,
Yes.
every department, every person who is working with Arite are a part of it, maybe directly or indirectly. Maybe you know afterwards that, oh, this was also happened with this project and you were a part of it. So sometimes it also happened that you may or may not knowingly get involved into that project, and then it comes to you as a surprise and you feel, oh, I did a great job. So obviously every small thing that makes a large project happen, it's a part of everyone's teamwork.
So, we come back to empathy. How are you going to implement empathy into your work life?
For me, listening to someone is not that difficult, and empathy means a lot, because listening is the most important thing even at your workplace. Even if you are not listening to your work tasks, then also there has to be negligence, there has to be errors. So empathy correlates very easily to me, because your work is something from where you are earning everything, like you are earning your respect, you are earning your bread and butter, you are earning a lot and learning a lot as well. So at your learning phase, if you are not ready to listen to someone, then it's your loss. So for gaining, you have to be empathetic.
According to you, empathy can be developed or learned?
It is actually developed, because it is a thing which is inculcative in nature. If you like if I talk about an example where at home also there is biasedness, and you are grown up with a biasness, then you have that more empathetic feeling about others, that if I would have been in that place, then what it would be felt like. So it has to be developed by looking into the situations, by looking into the counterparts, by looking into the aspects around you in which you are grown, in which you are taught.
Ma'am, if you have to give a tagline of your own for empathy, what would it be?
For empathy, a tagline, I'd really require a minute for it. Like, what would it be?
We definitely have a minute to think.
Okay. It has to be something related to humanity. So I have to make it like, if, not if, but if empathy persists, it means humanity still exists. Something like this, I would make it.
And that's very nice. And we can use it in the campaign.
I like to frame things which rhymes together. Otherwise, I myself don't like it.
And that was very nice. Okay, the quick one fun part. If you have to tell other people about your life, how would you tell it in the terms of movie names?
Movie names. Okay, it can be any movie or any from OTT platform or
You
anything.
can use.
Okay, so if I have to define it, then I think I should go with Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Because obviously you can't be happy every time, you can't be sad every time. So it's a part of it.
Thank you so much for coming. I've understood empathy from your perspective. How does it work? It should be a two-way communication as well.
Obviously,
Not just
yes.
listening can help empathy to be spread. You should let other people know that how empathy works and all.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for making me understand in another way.
Actually, I also felt glad to speak up that how I feel about it. So it feels like I have a own voice of saying empathy, that how it works. So thank you for calling me over here.
You're most
It was
welcome.
a good experience overall. मेरा phone नहीं आ रहा ना. But it's not yet Friday.
Ma'am, if you have to give a tagline of your own for empathy, what would it be?
For empathy, a tagline, I'd really require a minute for it. Like, what would it be?
And we can use it in the campaign.
I like to frame things which rhymes together. Otherwise, I myself don't like it. Obviously, after working for such a period of time, I had learned that trick as well, that what is return in mail, because I am also such a person whose tone changes from this quick to this quick when I'm texting or when I'm in an angry mode that okay, I'm not ready to talk to you.
Today we are not getting any jokes.
My job would be a reality show.